Welcome, artists, dreamers, and curious minds, to an exciting journey into prompt engineering, where we unlock the boundless artistic potential of artificial intelligence. Prepare to discover how a few carefully chosen words can transform your creative visions into stunning digital realities. Imagine transforming your wildest ideas into stunning, photorealistic visuals or abstract masterpieces with just a few carefully chosen words. This revolutionary approach allows you to co-create with AI, pushing the boundaries of traditional art forms. This isn't magic. It's the sophisticated art of prompt engineering, a powerful technique for guiding AI to create breathtaking and unique digital art. It's about understanding the language AI speaks and using it to your advantage. Today, we'll delve into the core components that make a prompt effective, turning your abstract concepts into concrete, actionable instructions for AI. We'll break down the elements that empower you to precisely articulate your artistic desires. At its heart, a powerful prompt is a carefully constructed formula, a detailed blueprint that communicates your creative vision to the AI. Think of it as writing a detailed recipe for an AI artist to follow. Let's break down the key elements: subject, medium, style, mood, composition, lighting, color palette, and quality boosters. Each component plays a vital role in shaping the final output. Our example will be a knight. The subject is your central focus, the main character or object of your artwork. Clearly defining your subject is the first step to a successful prompt. Next, the medium defines the art form you desire, perhaps oil painting to give it a classic, textured feel. This tells the AI what artistic technique to emulate, from photography to watercolor. The style, such as Baroque, adds a distinct artistic flavor, influencing the overall aesthetic and historical context of the image. This can range from impressionistic to cyberpunk, setting the artistic tone. The mood sets the emotional tone. For our knight, we might choose heroic and determined, conveying strength and purpose. This helps the AI understand the feeling you want to evoke in your artwork. Composition dictates how elements are arranged within the frame, like a full body shot, to capture the knight's entire presence. Specifying composition ensures your subject is presented exactly as you envision. Lighting sets the scene and atmosphere. Dramatic chiaroscuro would create stark contrasts, adding depth and intensity to the image. Proper lighting can transform a simple image into a captivating scene. The color palette, for instance, deep blues and golds, brings vibrancy and richness, enhancing the visual impact of the artwork. Choosing a specific palette ensures color harmony and emotional resonance. Finally, quality boosters like 8K, highly detailed masterpiece refine the output, pushing the AI to generate an image of exceptional fidelity. These terms elevate your creation to professional standards. By layering these components, you transform a simple idea into a rich, descriptive prompt, guiding the AI with unparalleled precision and artistic intent. This structured approach empowers you to achieve your exact creative vision. Now, let's explore some advanced techniques that give you even greater, nuanced control over your AI creations. These methods allow for sophisticated fine-tuning and problem-solving within your prompts. Negative prompts are incredibly crucial. They tell the AI what not to include, actively eliminating unwanted elements like blurry, deformed, or watermark. This is essential for refining your output and removing imperfections. This ensures your final artwork is clean and focused, free from distractions that could detract from your vision. Negative prompts are your secret weapon for achieving pristine and intentional results. Weighting allows you to emphasize certain parts of your prompt, giving more importance to dramatic lighting over blue colors, for example, by assigning numerical values. This provides granular control over the AI's interpretation of your instructions. This fine-tuning capability ensures the AI prioritizes the elements most critical to your artistic expression, shaping the outcome precisely. It's like adjusting the volume on different instruments in an orchestra. Prompt engineering is truly an art in itself, a dynamic and evolving dialogue between human creativity and artificial intelligence. It's a new frontier where imagination meets technology. It's about learning to speak the language of AI, transforming your deepest imagination into tangible, breathtaking visual masterpieces. The possibilities are truly endless when you master this communication. The journey of prompt engineering is one of continuous discovery, experimentation, and boundless artistic expression, limited only by your imagination. Each prompt is an opportunity to explore new creative territories. We've covered the essential prompt formula and advanced techniques, providing you with a solid foundation to begin your own creative exploration. You now have the tools to start crafting your own AI art. Now it's your turn to experiment, to push the boundaries of what's possible, and to truly unleash AI's artistic potential. Don't be afraid to try new combinations and see what incredible results you can achieve. Dive in, create, and share your incredible visions with the world. The future of art is waiting, shaped by your prompts. Your unique perspective is what will drive this exciting new era of creativity. If you found this guide inspiring and helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more insights into the exciting world of AI and creativity. Join our community of prompt engineers and continue your learning journey.